Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss the term dramatic monologue. Introduction. The dramatic monologue is a captivating form of poetic expression that allows poets to delve into the psyche of a single character and reveal their temperament and innermost thoughts. Introduced by Robert Browning and refined over centuries, this poetic form has become a powerful tool for exploring human nature and self-expression. This video will delve into the defining features of the dramatic monologue, its distinction from other related forms, and its significance in the realm of poetry. Features of dramatic monologue. The dramatic monologue is characterized by three main features. Number 1. It involves a single character who is not the poet, delivering a speech that constitutes the entire poem. This character finds himself in a specific situation at a critical moment, giving rise to intense emotions and personal reflections. Number 2. Although the character addresses and interacts with other people, the auditors remain silent and can only be inferred from speaker's discourse. Number 3. The primary focus of the monologue is to reveal the speaker's temperament and character, showcasing his unique traits and perspectives. In Robert Browning's exemplary dramatic monologues like My Last Duchess and Andrea del Sarto, these features are evident. The Duke, while negotiating for a new wife, unwittingly reveals his possessive and controlling nature, providing insights into his character. The same can be said for Andrea, who contemplates his wife's lies, exposing his emotional vulnerability and desires. Distinction from related forms. Notably, some poetic compositions share similarities with dramatic monologues, yet they diverge in crucial aspects. For instance, John Donne's The Canonization and The Flea are dramatic lyrics, lacking only one feature of the dramatic monologue. While they contain intriguing arguments and intense emotions, the primary focus is on the logical reasoning, not speaker's personality. Likewise, Wordsworth's Tintern Abbey is a monologue addressed to a silent author, but it differs from a dramatic monologue as it is not primarily concerned with revealing the speaker's temperament. Instead, it focuses on the speaker's thoughts and observations as he resolves an emotional dilemma. Throughout literary history, the dramatic monologue has continued to captivate poets. Alfred Lord Tennyson, Hilda Doolittle, Robert Frost, and others embraced this form as a means of exploring the depths of human experience. In the modern era, T.S. Eliot's The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock stands as a renowned example, delving into the complexities of the speaker's psyche and inner struggles. Significance of dramatic monologue. The dramatic monologue's significance lies in its ability to provide readers with an intimate glimpse into a character's thoughts and emotions. By using a single voice, poets can create compelling narratives, allowing us to empathize with the speaker's predicaments, hopes, and fears. Moreover, it enables poets to experiment with language and structure, crafting verses that echo the authenticity of human speech. Conclusion. In conclusion, the dramatic monologue is a powerful form of poetic expression that allows poets to delve into the minds of characters and reveal their distinct temperaments and emotions. Robert Browning's contributions laid the groundwork for this form, inspiring generations of poets to explore the depths of human nature through this unique lens. As poets continue to experiment with this form, the dramatic monologue remains an enduring and significant genre in the world of literature. So this was the discussion on the topic dramatic monologue. If you have any doubts or questions, you can ask in the comments section. We will meet in the next video with some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.